Today I will be talking about cloud formation and precipitation. Formation of precipitation, it's formed in two steps. The first step is called condensation. The droplets must be larger than 20 micrometers to fall and collide with other droplets. The large droplets fall faster and they collide with smaller droplets, making them drop faster once large enough. Once large, they will fall to the surface without evaporating first, pretty much making raindrops and rain and stuff like that. The formation of precipitation is the second form is the ice crystal process. The ice crystals have to be in super cold water, and that makes them grow rapidly. Then they drift through the clouds and connect with other ice crystals. The condensation makes drizzle, rain, freezing rain, and sleet, and then the ice crystal process makes dry snow, wet snow, and rain. Rain is moisture consumed from the atmosphere that falls vividly in separate droplets. Snow is atmospheric water vapor frozen into ice crystals and falling in light white flakes are lying on the ground as white layer. Sleet is a form of precipitation consisting of ice pellets, often mixed with rain or snow. We don't see most of this, it usually occurs at night if rain freezes over. Hail is pellets of frozen rain which falls in showers from cumulus clouds. Now we'll talk about air mass. Air mass is a large body of air having characteristics of temperature, moisturizer, and pressure that are approximately uniform horizon. So we have cold air mass and warm air mass, and it depends on where you are located, which one you will get first. It's classified according to the temperature and moisturizer characteristics of their source regions based on temperature, like tropical warm, polar is cold, Arctic is extremely cold. So where you're based out of that's how your air mass will be classified. Next we'll talk about how that makes Oklahoma have so many tornadoes. It's because the Great Plains allow cold air from the Arctic to stream south as warm, humid air, and that comes up from the Gulf of Mexico. When cold air clashes with warm, moist air, tornadoes can form. And then next we'll talk about why is airlifting important. Lifting, also known as adiabatic cooling, is the most common method of humidification of air to form clouds. You start by the air heated by the ground, as shown in this picture, and it rises, and then the density descends. And it just does this process over and over again. There's two types of lifting. The first lift is a convection lifting. As the earth is heated by the sun, bubbles of hot air called thermals rise upward from the warm surface. And the second type of lifting is the orographic lifting. Orographic lift occurs when an air mass is forced from a low elevation to a high elevation as it moves over rising terrain. It also can create clouds.